Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I have a small Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree because we had to go out and we passed by the Dollar Tree and I was like, ooh, they'll have Halloween stuff. So I bought some things. Let's see, what should I start with? The first thing I'm going to start with is I just bought some black ribbon. Just super simple black ribbon. And then I saw this pink lace and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to get it. It's usually how this goes. Actually, that's pretty much how all this stuff kind of goes into, because I just bought it for future projects, and since it's spoopy season soon, I want to make like Halloween accessories potentially. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to show off, which is not really Halloween related, is they had new like dolls there, and I was very intrigued. If you don't know, I customize dolls, and this is the first time I saw a doll with this face mold. It was always like a different type of like face mold. So I was just very curious, and I wanted to get one to potentially do something with at some point. So yeah, she looks kind of interesting. So yeah, the next stuff is like Halloween things. Alright, so next I have these little cute little like witch hat peg things. I guess you could like put them in a vase, put them like in the ground, or put them like, you know what I mean, like something like that, almost like an accent. And I think I have an idea for a project I'm gonna do with these. So those are cool. I then, of course, had to buy some plastic chain. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I have it to make some sort of accessory with. The next two things are they're pretty similar. I don't know if you can like hear it. Oh god, it's tangled. Is some Garland. I got this with little orange pumpkins, and it's black and orange. Ooh. So I didn't know, I like was making the noise, and I don't know how loud that is for you guys. Hopefully that isn't too loud. And then I got this, which is black, and it has hollow skeleton skulls, and I thought it was so cool. Again, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with them, but I bought them to make accessories. So yeah, so that's super cool. I'm really liking these. And then the last thing I picked up, which I feel like I had to pick up, were these dollar store, like the set of 4 skeletons. I feel like I think I still have some from last year, but like, you never know. Listen, you never know when it's gonna be like the middle of the March and you wanna be like, listen, Halloween, I need it right now. So I bought some skeletons, yeah, and I had to. And again, I don't know what I'm going to do with any of this stuff or what projects I have planned for any of them, but I bought them. I feel like this is how it goes for anyone who crafts. They're just like, ooh, I might want to use that in a future project. Buys. So that was pretty much it. It was a super small little dollar store haul, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it's been a little bit. So that's pretty much it, I think. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to, and I will see you all next time. Bye!